In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a page horizontal in Google Docs. Whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone who frequently uses Google Docs, knowing how to adjust the orientation of a specific page can be extremely useful. For instance, sometimes a wide table or an image fits better on a horizontal or landscape page, and with these straightforward steps, you'll master this in no time. To begin, let's open your preferred web browser and search for Google Docs. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, you can type Google Docs into the search bar and click on the official link that appears. Once you're there, sign into your Google account if you're prompted. If you're like most people, you probably have multiple documents saved already. Go ahead and select the document you want to work with. With the document open, focus your attention on the page where you want the text to start appearing horizontally. Place your cursor at the very end of the text on the page, right before the one you want to convert to a landscape orientation. Once your cursor is in position, it's time to insert a section break. Move over to the menu options and click on Insert. From the drop-down, select Break, and then choose Section Break, Next Page. You'll notice that the text shifts to the next page, creating a clear divide between sections. Now, it's important to ensure that the content you want on the horizontal page is isolated in this new section. Move your cursor to the end of this content. This is crucial because you'll anchor the section here, marking the boundaries for your landscape page. Place your cursor to make sure it's within the section you want to change. This step is vital for ensuring that the orientation applies correctly. Next, head up to the File menu at the top left corner of your screen. Click on Page Setup, and a window will appear. This is your gateway to customizing the page setup. Focus on the Orientation option. You'll see two choices, Portrait and Landscape. Choose Landscape since that's our aim for this page. Before applying the changes, turn your attention to the Apply To drop-down menu in the same window. Here's where you decide the scope of this orientation shift. Select this section to ensure that only your selected section changes to landscape orientation. This keeps the rest of your document untouched and formatted as initially set. Finally, click OK to apply these changes, and voila! You've successfully applied a horizontal layout to a specific page in your document. Your document will now showcase the selected section in landscape view, while the remaining pages stay in the portrait orientation. This method allows you to neatly organize your content according to your needs without compromising the flow of your entire document. With practice, this process becomes second nature, allowing you to tailor your documents with ease. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more features in Google Docs to enhance your documents further.